check out a unique specialty in classics. It's a 1966 Ford Thunderbird convertible. 390 V8 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the chrome on the front bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. Original Ivy yellow car, Y paint code. Black interior. Black vinyl top. Check out all the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, top up, top down. If you're seeing this on YouTube, just click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, wire spoked wheels. Those are not wheel covers. Radial tires. Let's go ahead and take a look down the passenger side of this car. If you stick around to the very end of this video, we're going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Fender skirts. Of course, bucket seats up front, center console. I have some help here today too, so I think we'll show you the top going up and down. You'll be able to see how the trunk opens, allows the top to come out. And I also want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can see the chrome on the rear bumper. If you like checking out old cars, go ahead and subscribe to our channel here. You never know what we may have come through that you get to check out, see a video on, where to go look at the pictures. Let's take a look down this driver's side. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek at that engine bay here in just a second. Rear seats look good, fold down armrest. Door panels also look good in the still pictures. You'll be able to see the door tag with the data on it if you want to do any decoding yourself. It is missing the one filler panel in that center console. Point that out. Otherwise, interior seating surfaces look good. Go ahead and fire up the 390. This car has always started easily anytime I've ever fired it up. Take a look at the top of the dash. I have not had the radio working, just so you know. Power top switch, of course, right here. We're going to show you how that functions in just a bit. First, let's slip around to the back of this, listen to it run, and we'll also take a look at the engine bay. Yeah? Dual exhaust. A little rumble coming out of that car. Nothing too crazy or over the top. Probably have to pause this a second. Hood release is center underneath the bumper right there. So let me pause this a second. We'll get that hood popped, check out the engine bay, and we'll check out that top also. There's a look at the underside of the hood. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Once again, 390 power steering, power brakes. Paired up with an automatic transmission. Battery disconnect over here for when it's in storage or maybe in between drives. Good looking engine bay. All right, let me grab a little help here and show you the top going up and down. All right, show you the functioning top here and how this works. Actually is a power trunk lid, so to speak. Switch is inside the car in the center console like I showed you earlier. Trunk goes up. Sensors tell the top it can then unfold and go up. Thought you might like to see it on this one. And you'll be able to see still pictures of the trunk in with the rest of them. So then we're just going to keep going and show you how the trunk will actually close at the end also. and that latches down. And then of course, vice versa, when it's getting closed, let's go ahead and run it back the other way so you can see it functioning both ways. And that'll keep going until it's all the way open, and then the top can be closed. And we'll take a look at the condition of it too when it's all the way up. We're going to shoot it up in the pictures with the top up. So I'll be back. We'll take a little closer look at the condition. I just want to show you how this trunk and top all function properly as it should. And now with the top all the way up, let's take a look at the condition. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Black vinyl top. Looks like it's been replaced fairly recently. Also rolled up the side glass. You can see how that fit. Looks good over here on the driver's side. Not really notice much wear. Rear window clear. If you need to keep you out of the rain or brief shower, what have you, just the sun off your back, the top is going to work just fine. 1966 Ford Thunderbird. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1966 Ford Thunderbird convertible. This is an automatic on the column. This car came with the tilting steering wheel, which is a very unique feature. Tilting side to side, that is. The amp gauge is showing a little over half. The other gauges, other than the speedometer, do not appear to work. The speedometer is, however, the awesome one that fills with red as if it were a thermometer filled with mercury, and we're doing 55 right now. Very nice, smooth running Thunderbird. Idles nicely right away. Good throttle response. For an older convertible, it is quite low on wind noise, which is always a good thing. On this cold winter day in Minnesota, the roads are primarily dry, and we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. It looks like vinyl on these bucket seats in this Thunderbird with center storage and center console. Thunderbird had a lot of iconic body styles. The back end of this car is particularly iconic to me. Kick down working well on that transmission. This car cornered the way that it should for a 1966 Thunderbird. Very easy to drive car. Comfortable. And the amazing style of the 66 Thunderbird. Look at all the pictures of the engine bay underneath, inside and out, on uniqueclassiccars.com.